You will sometimes be asked to work out different averages for a set of data. There are 4 that you need to know the definition of. The first one is the mean. The mean is where you add up all the numbers and then divide by how many there are. The median is the middle number, but it's very important that you put the numbers in order first. The mode is the one that occurs the most, and the range is the highest value minus the lowest value. Let's have a look at example 1. If you want to work out the mean, we're going to have to add up all these numbers together first. If you add up the 3, 6, 2, 10, 6, 4 and 11, you get 42. You then need to divide that by how many numbers there were to begin with. If you count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we do 42 divided by 7, we get our mean is 6. To work out the median, we're going to have to put these numbers in order first. The smallest number is 2. The next smallest number is 3. The next smallest is 4. Then 6. Then 6. Then 10. And then 11. We're going to work our way in and see which is the middle number. We're left with the 6, so that is our median. This also helps us with the mode. You can see there's 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, but there are 2 6s and only 1 10 and 1 11. Because 6 occurs the most, this is our mode. To work out the range, we're going to take the highest value, which is 11, and we're going to minus the lowest value, which is 2, and it gives us our range, which is 9. To work out the mean, we're going to add them all together first. So we're going to do 3.5 plus 5 plus 2.5 plus 3 plus 4.5 plus 5 plus 3.5 plus 5. When we add them all together, we get 32. To get the mean, we're going to divide by how many there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our mean is 4. To get the median, we're going to put them in order first. So 2.5 is the smallest. The next smallest is 3. The next smallest is 3.5 and another 3.5. The 4.5. And then 5, 5 and 5. If we work our way into the middle, we're left with 2 things in the middle. So this time, the median is the middle of the middles, and in between 3.5 and 4.5 is 4. If you're not sure how to work that out, what you can do is add the 2 numbers together and divide by 2. So if I did that, 3.5 plus 4.5 is 8, and then 8 divided by 2 gives you 4, which is how I got that. The mode is the number that occurs the most, which is 5, and the range is the highest, take away the lowest, which is 2.5. To work out the mean, we're going to add together these 6 numbers. When you add them together, you get 666. We're going to divide it by how many there are, which is 6, so our answer is 111. To get the median, we're going to put them in order first. So 102, 102, 110, 110, 115, and 127. Working our way into the middle. Again, we've got 2 numbers, so we need the middle of the middles. Now 110 and 110, the middle of that is 110. We could use the trick from earlier. We could have said add them together, and then divide it by 2, and we'd get 110. The mode is the most occurring. This time we've got more than one. 102 appears twice and 110 appears twice. This is called bimodal. Both of these are the modes. The range, still the highest, take the lowest. So 127, take away 102, and we end up with 25.